High quality safe. This manicure pedicure set is made of stainless steel material, which is sharp, safe and durable for long time using. It can be used safely and securely without worrying about damaging the health of your family and friends. Luxury Manicure Kit. The professional manicure tool set is available 16 pieces of nail and toenail trimming care tools to meet your different needs. A manicure pedicure set is a great cleaning and care tool for women, men and kids. Portable practical. This stainless steel nail clipper kit comes with a premium PU leather carry case for carrying and storing easily. Lightweight and compact size, making it fit into any handbag or shoulder bag conveniently. It is the first choice care kit for home or travel. Multi-purpose. The is a multifunctional and economical travel manicure set, which is widely used in hand care, facial care, foot care, effectively removes dirt and dead skin, so that you can enjoy a more neat and healthy life. Perfect gift. The Jukiboom Nail Clippers pedicure set comes with a luxurious and unique gift box that is perfect for giving. This is a great gift for your wife, family or friends on Valentine's Day, birthday, anniversary, wedding party and more. Top reviews from the United States. Good set, good price. Like the case, good set for the price. Gifted to my son, he was happy to have it. Everything you would need for routine nail care. No heavy-duty tools for people with really thick or fungal type nails, however.